Hello guys, this is Sir Mukesh here. Okay now guys, this is my second video on trigonometric ratios. As you know that what is trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratios consist of two words, trigonometry and ratio. Now, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry, you know, I explained in my first lecture. It is combination of three words, trigonometry. So trigonometry is a combination of three words, trigonometry. So tri mean three, gono mean corners, and metry mean measurement. So trigonometry. Tri mean three, gono mean corners, and metry mean measurement. So trigono, three corner. So the topic is three corner measurement. We know that what is three corner? Three corner mean triangle. So triangle measurement. So trigonometry is triangle measurement, or in short we call it study of triangle. So remember this thing guys, trigonometry is study of triangle. Please remember this, trigonometry is study of triangle. Study of triangle including all the things related to triangle like Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is guys trigonometry. Area of triangle, perimeter of triangle, it is trigonometry guys. Angle property of triangle, basic angle properties, it is trigonometry. So guys, remember this thing when you are solving trigonometry or trigonometric ratio. The word trigonometry means study of triangle. So study of triangle mean everything related to triangle, area of triangle, perimeter of triangle, angle property of triangle. Guys, remember angle property of triangle play an important role in trigonometric ratio or trigonometry. So trigonometry is study of triangle. Okay, then the second word is ratio. We know that ratio, we did ratio in grade 4, grade 5, grade 6. Ratio mean when we compare two or more same thing with same unit. So ratio mean comparison between two or more same thing, same quantity with same unit. So the topic is trigonometric ratio. Trigonometry study of triangle, and ratio mean comparing two or more same thing with same unit. So guys, why we call this topic trigonometric ratio? The reason, trigonometry mean study of triangle and ratio mean comparing two or more same thing. So trigonometric ratios mean guys comparing the two sides of a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle mean trigonometry, comparing the two side mean ratio. So that's why we call this topic trigonometric ratios, comparing the two sides of a right angle triangle. Look here guys, always remember trigonometric ratios. Why we call this topic trigonometric ratios? Because ratio mean comparing the two side and ratio mean comparison. So here we are comparing the two sides. And why trigonometry? Because here we are comparing the two sides of a right angle triangle. So guys, remember this thing, trigonometric. When I said trigonometric ratios, when anyone asks you what is trigonometric ratios, so your answer will be trigonometric ratio mean comparing the two sides of a right angle triangle. So with the help of trigonometric ratios, we will find the unknown side of a right angle triangles, or we will find the unknown angles of a right angle triangle. So with the help of trigonometric ratios, we can solve any right angle triangle. We can find the unknown side of a right angle triangle. We can find the unknown angle of a right angle triangle. We can find the area of triangle. We can find the perimeter of triangle. So with the help of trigonometric ratio, we can solve the triangle. We will find all the three sides of a right angle triangle. We will find all the angles of a right angle triangle. So you know that guys, remember this thing, whenever we finding, if I say find the unknown side of a right angle triangle, or the examiner said find the unknown side of a right angle triangle. Okay, so if you want to find the unknown side of a right angle triangle with the help of trigonometric ratios, not trigonometric ratio, because Pythagoras theorem is also trigonometry, study of triangle. By applying Pythagoras theorem, we will find the unknown side of a right angle triangle. What is Pythagoras theorem? It is the relation between the three sides of a right angle triangle. The three sides of a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So the relation between the three sides of a right angle triangle is Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is also trigonometry. Guys, remember trigonometry study of triangle. Okay, so now when I said find the unknown side of a right angle triangle with the help of trigonometric ratios, with the help of trigonometric ratios. So remember, if I say find the unknown side with the help of trigonometric ratios, so guys, I will give you one angle, one acute angle of a right angle triangle and one side. Remember, whenever anyone said find the unknown side of a right angle triangle with the help of trigonometric ratios, so you always need one angle and one side. One angle and one. This is very important, guys. जब भी आपको right angle triangle की, look here, if I say find this side of a right angle triangle, so always remember when the examiner or me said find the unknown side of a right angle triangle, so always remember to find the unknown side, you always need one angle and one side. Why right here one acute angle? Because we know that in right angle triangle this is 90 degree and rest of the two angles are always acute. If this is 90 degree angle, if this is a right angle triangle, we know that what is right angle triangle? One of it angle is right angle, 90 degree angle. So this one and this one, these two angles are always acute. Always remember, in right angle triangle, one of the angle is right angle and rest of the angle are acute angle. So remember guys, when he said find the unknown side of a right angle triangle, ये बहुत important है, इसको आप नोट नहीं करते हो कि जब भी आपको right angle triangle की साइड फाइंड करनी है तो याद रखना साइड फाइंड करने के लिए आपके पास एलिमेंट होने चाहिए one angle one side, one acute angle and one side. Except this 90 degree, इस 90 degree के अलावा एक acute angle और एक side होनी ज़रूरी है. So look here guys, he said find this side, the side hypotenuse. So one angle is given, one acute angle is given and one side is given. Okay guys, so we know that what is trigonometric ratios? Trigonometric ratios mean comparing the two sides of a right angle triangle. By comparing the two sides, what I said, by comparing the two sides, trigonometric ratio mean comparing two sides of a right angle triangle.